Good morning, everyone. Today I'm doing Collection Obsession again because I hope to be doing some page kits for 30 days of sketches for next month over the next couple days. So anyhow, this is Skylar, and she received the Peacock Award. Let me tell you what that means. It's for the way that you use your creative heart to bring lots of color and beauty to life. And she received that in May. So, okay, so that was at the end of last year, school year. Okay, that's what I thought it was, but I wasn't sure. Okay, so I'm gonna use one of the 6x8s. I was gonna say cut aparts. I've been canning already today, so it's like, yeah, just all the stuff. My brain is still canning, I think. So I'm gonna use this, and yesterday I talked about how I like to use colored mats again. And I love them when they match the kit. So I'm gonna put her about here. It's funny because she got down small, you know, to be by Skylar. And so when her mom took this picture, and I think she didn't realize she was gonna crouch down. That's the word. And so it's like there was a lot of upper part. So I kind of trimmed that off. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick this kind of between this lamp here and the large floral. Okay, and then I'm gonna do where I'm kind of laying things over top. And I'm going to use the, oops, just a minute, I can't line up and, wait a minute, it's supposed to be like that. I'm trying to line up with the one that's above. Okay, I can't do that and talk at the same time. I'm gonna use Class Act from that Simple Stories, I think it's School Life. Okay, so I'm gonna stick Act right down here. And I'm not gonna put it down real hard, just in case I think I need to slide it over a little bit. I'm gonna put Class right here. Maybe I'll bring Act over just a little bit. Kind of let it overlap the paper airplane a little. Okay. And then I have the little apple. So I'm going to overlap that apple that's there. Okay, and then I'm using the little girl on hers because I figured I would use it for the younger girls. So Brenda's got a lot more layouts than anybody, so I figure if I showed her the little girl, it's okay. And she's older, so she'll understand. Where the other girls might be upset that they didn't get the little girl on theirs, because sometimes they look at each other's layouts. So I'm gonna put this little girl right here. So she's right overlapping the picture. There was somebody here, I could see their feet, so it's like I kind of like to cover that up when I can. Okay, and there's this airplane that's being blocked by the photo, so I'm definitely gonna add that back in. And I'm putting these up on dimensionals because it's going to be over the photo. And the one underneath it is smaller. Oh, I was gonna show you, but this one's gonna be bigger. Okay, and then I have the book bag or backpack, and I'm gonna put that over this book bag, but I'm gonna put it up higher so it's not cut off at the bottom. If I can get those little sticky or little covers pulled off. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring it right down to the bottom and cover up that other one. And then I'm gonna put this here, but this is smaller, but it'll just look like there's more things in the cup. But I'm not gonna add any dimensional to it, just because it would be difficult to do it over the pencils and these little paint brushes. We need a glue that kind of foams up and gets a little bit bigger. Wouldn't that be handy? Somebody needs to invent that. So now it just looks like there's more pencils. I guess the can looks a little bigger. And I'm gonna add this little marker or highlighter. Oh, and I started to get, I think I'll just lay it just like that. And I meant to get some stickers, and oh, I did. Do I want to use these? It's kind of like the color the teacher has on. I was thinking about using these ones because there's a lot of blue. I think I'm going to use these blue ones. And I got these from Ginger. Let's see if I can get them off the sheet here. Oh, there, that helps. Okay, where do I want them? I think I'm going to do 3 up here. I stuck that right to that paper. Oh, that destroyed it. It's the first time I've had one break. Okay, and I'm gonna put one just like right in there. One a little bit lower, but since I broke that one, I just don't know if that'll happen. Okay, and I'm gonna stick one right here, and maybe kind of down in here. Maybe one overlapping that little learn book there. And then I'm going to put some down here by the little girl. We'll call it the other Skylar. Okay. So that was a super fast layout. So that's it. I will have close-ups at the end. So make sure you go and check out the other ladies that are playing. Or I don't, there could be gents too. I'm not sure. But the other ones, I've seen a few people's layouts, but not too many. I've had a busy month with activities and my sister being here. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.